Good morning friends, welcome to online classes. In the previous video we have completed the problem set 4. Okay, so and in this video we are going to be see what is meant by expanded form of a number and the place value of a number. Here you can see the two words, expanded form and place value. Okay, so what is meant by these two will going to be seen in this video. Okay, so before we start I will request you to subscribe our channel. Okay, so we'll start. Okay, so now here we can see here two number, what is meant by expanded form and what is meant by place value. First of all we'll see the what is meant by place value. If you see this place value is the value of each digit in a number. Okay, so the place value is that value of that digit in a number. Okay, where it is where is that number is placed. Okay, suppose if we take an example to, if we see what is meant by place value, if we see with the help of example, if we'll take example as 431. Okay, so and the question is what is the place value of 4. We have to find the place value of 4. Now they are asking in which position the 4 is situated in this number. Okay, so here if you see this, 1 is in unit place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in hundred place. So what is the place value of 4? The place value of 4 will be 100. If I will ask the what is the place value of 3. So if we see where is that 3 is situated, 3 is situated at T. Sorry, T means 10. So the place value of 3 will be tens. What will the place value of 1 is unit. Clear? I hope you understood what is meant by place value. Place value means where is the digit is situated. If it is in 100 place, the place value will be 100. If it is in the unit place, the place value of that number will be unit. Okay, so now we'll move to our next topic, which is expanded form. Now we'll see what is meant by expanded form. Now if we see what is meant by expanded form, in the word itself it says that expanded form means to expand anything. Okay, if we see 40, for example, if we take the 40 we can 40 the expanded form. Okay, we'll take to understand this we'll take a another number, 43. Okay, so 43 we can write 40 plus 3. Clear? So this will be the expanded form of 43, 40 plus 3. If I will talk about 56, we can write is 50 plus 6. Okay, so where 3 is in unit place, 4 is in tens place. Okay, now we'll read this topic from your textbook. Okay, so here the expanded form of a number and the place value of the digit. Teacher took at the place value of each of the digit in the number. Look at the place value of each of the digit in the number. Means here it is a number and we have to see the place value of individually digit. Okay. So here the digits are, we can see 2, 7, 6, 5, 0, 4 and 3. These are the digits in this number. Okay, so now first of all we'll see 3 is in which place? 3 is in unit place. So 3 is in unit place. 4 is in which place? 4 is in tens place. 0 is in which place? 0 is in hundred place. 5 is in which place? 5 is in thousand place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 6 is in which place? 10,000 place. 7 is in which place? It is in lakh place. And 2 is in 10 lakh place. So now we have learned the place value. Here 3 is in unit place. So 3 is a single digit. So we'll write is in 3. 4 is in tens place. We know that 4 is in tens place, means before 4 3 is also there. So we need 2 digits. So we'll write 4 0. Now 0 is in hundred place. If it is 0, that's why we have to write here the place value of any digit in that number. If it is 0, that the place value will be 0. Now 5 is in thousand place. So for thousand we need 30. If we see here in this number before 5, how many digits are there? You can see 3 digits. So here we will write 30. Clear? Now 6 is in 10,000 place. So before 6, how many digits are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write before 6 40. 7 is in lakh place. So before 7, how many digits you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write here 50. 2 is in 10 lakh place. Before 2, how many digits are there? That much. 0 you have to write. This will be the place value of individually digit. Clear? Hamid. When we write the place value of the digit as an addition, we get the expanded form of the number. So that the expanded form of the number is this. 20 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 3. If you will add this value, you will get this original number. Like that only, if we have 43, if we expand in this way, 40 plus 3, if you will add these two, you will get 43. Like that only, if we will add all the expanded form of that number, you will get the original number. Clear? Teacher, now tell me the expanded form of 9504506. Okay, so first of all we'll write that number. Okay, what is that number? 9504506. We have written that the same number, and now we're going to see what is the expanded form of 9504506. First of all, I have written all the digits here. So we'll see that 6 is in which place in this number? 6 is in unit place. So first of all we will write here place which is unit. 0 is in which place? It is 10 place. 5 is in which place? It is 100. 4 is in 1000. 0 again it is in 10,000 place. 5 is in lakh place. 9 is in 10 lakh place. Clear? Now as it is unit, so we have to write here 6 because single digit. 0, as I told you, if the number is consisting of 0, this place value will be 0. This will be place value will be 0. Okay. Now 5 is in 100 place. That means before 5 how many digits are there? 2. So we have to write 5 2 0. Now here 4 is in 1000 place. So before 4 how many digits are there? 3. So we have to write 4000. Now here it is 0. I told you if it is 0, so their place value will be 0. Now it is 5. 5 is in which place here? Lakh. So before 1 2 3 4 5, that means here you have to write 5 0. This will be 50. And here 9 means before this you have to write 60. So this will be it is 60. So these numbers will be expanded form of 9504506. So if you add this number, you will get this number. Okay. So just try it. If you will get this will be the correct form of expanded form of this number. I hope you understand the place value in expanded form. We'll further see the problem set 5. In this problem set we can see we can understand the place value in expanded form further. If we are solving this problem we can see it clearly. Okay, so thank you.